Welcome to today's lecture. We are still on numbers and numeration, and under numbers and numeration we started a series on profit and loss. So this is lecture on profit and loss part 2. Today we'll be looking at marked price and discount. Marked price and discount. Marked price simply means price written on an item. The price written on an item is referred to as marked price. The next term there is discount. Discount is simply reduction on marked price. And then to get your discount is simply marked price minus sale price. This sale price can also be taken as selling price. So then percentage discount or discount percentage is discount over marked price times 100%. You would need to recall the formulas we took in our previous lecture. You will need to commit those formulas to memory. I want you to note certain things, that marked price is also a type of selling price. That is, if the price that is written on the item is given to the customer and the customer was not given any discount, we can also take the marked price to be a type of selling price. The sale price is also a type of selling price. So I would like you to keep that at the back of your mind, that marked price is a type of selling price. Sale price is a type of selling price. That is, if any reduction is not given, the marked price on the item automatically becomes the selling price. So then marked price is a type of selling price. So let's see some examples. A trader marks goods at 20,000 naira and allows a discount of 15%. Find the sale price, the selling price. Discount percentage or percentage discount is discount over marked price times 100%. We're given the percentage discount to be 15%, and then we'll know the marked price to be 20,000. We're told to look for the discount. Find the sale price. So we're told to look for the sale price rather, but we need a discount to be able to do so. So if you resolve this properly, you will get 3,000 naira. A simpler way of doing this is just by saying discount is marked price times percentage discount or discount percentage. The marked price is 20,000 and the percentage discount is 15%. So if you resolve this, you still get 3,000. So this is much easier than the first method. Question number 2. We actually did not conclude this question. So what do you do to get your sale price? Your sale price then becomes your marked price minus your discount. So our sale price becomes marked price minus the discount. In other words, our marked price is 20,000. Our discount is 3,000. So the sale price or selling price becomes 20,000 minus this 3,000. So our final answer is 17,000. So you are required to finish it up. Don't forget, we said the sale price is equal to marked price minus discount. We already have the discount here. And so you just do marked price, which is 20,000. 20,000 minus your discount 3,000, and at the end you will get 17,000. Let's take question 2. A trader marks his goods 40,000 above cost price and allows a discount of 25%. Find the percentage profit or loss. So in this question, let's take the question again. A trader marks his goods 40,000 above the cost price and allows a discount of 25%. Find the percentage profit or loss. So in this case, we say let the cost price be X. So it means that you will increase the cost price by 40%. In other words, it says a trader marks his goods 40,000 above the cost price. That means increase your cost price by 40%. So increasing your cost price by 40% will give you your marked price. So to do that, we'll say 140% of your cost price. That will give us 1.4x. That's 140 over 100 times x. Eventually we get 1.4x. We're given a discount of 25%. Allows a discount of 25%. So our percentage discount 25%. Our discount becomes marked price times percentage discount. And if you resolve properly, you will get 0.35%. So then discount is marked price minus sale price. So your sale price is marked price minus discount. So our sale price is marked price minus discount. Our marked price is 1.4x. A discount is 0.35x. So if you subtract, you're going to get 1.05x. So profit, don't forget profit. How do we know we're making profit? We're making profit because the sale price is 1.05x while the cost price is x. So it means that the sale price is greater than the cost price. So our profit is selling price or sale price minus the cost price. So 1.05x minus x will give us 0.05x. So percentage profit is profit over cost price times 100%. And then we'll put the profit 0.05x over x times 100%. If you resolve properly, you will get 5%. We'll take question 3 now. A television set marked at 600,000 to yield a profit of 20% was sold at a discount of 10%. Find the percentage profit or loss. Don't forget our formula. Selling price is cost price into 1 plus percentage profit over 100. We can rewrite this in a simpler version, in a crude form, which is the selling price is cost price into 100% plus percentage profit. Remember, I referred to this as a crude form while I refer to this as the refined form. But I would like us to use this because this is easier and simpler. So our marked price, which is a type of selling price, is 600,000 because we need that to get the cost price. The marked price is 600,000 and we are required to sell the television set on at 600,000 in order to make a profit of 20%. This 20% is calculated based on the cost price. So the marked price in this case is taken as the selling price of that item. If it was sold that amount, this is the profit that will be made. So 600,000, the cost price, 100% plus 20%, that will give us 120%. So 120% times CP, that's 1.2 CP. 120% is like saying 120 over 100, that's 1.2 CP. So if we resolve this as CP 600 divided by 1.2, that will give us 500,000. So our cost price is then 500,000. So we go ahead to get our discount. Don't forget, discount is marked price times percentage discount. So 600 times 10%, which is the discount of 10%. So 600,000 times 10% will give us 60,000. So our sale price or selling price is marked price minus discount. So 600,000 minus 60,000 gives 540,000. So your profit then becomes sale price minus cost price, or selling price minus cost price. That eventually will give us 40%. So we take percentage profit, which is profit over cost price, times 100%, and eventually our profit is 40,000. Our cost price, don't forget, is 500,000, and times 100%, and finally our percentage profit is 8%. You will be required to do the following questions just to test if you actually understood what we have gone through together. Let's look at number 1. Attempt the following questions. A generator cost 120,000 and is sold at 10% loss. Calculate the selling price of the generator. So we take the formula. Your selling price is cost price into 100% minus percentage loss. So that's the hint. That's the formula to use. Question 2 now. An article cost 8,000. At what price should it be sold to gain 25%? Hint on the very formula to use is given. So SP is CP into 100% plus percentage gain. Question number 3. A trader sells an article at 20% profit. If he had sold it for 600 naira more, he would have made 25% profit. Find the cost price. That's question 3. Question 4. A trader sells an article at 15% profit. If he had sold it for 450 naira less, he would have incurred a 10% loss. Find the cost price. Question 5. A trader sells an article for 18,000 at 20% profit. At what price must he sell to make a 10% loss? Question 6, which is the last question. An article is marked 10,000 naira. 2 successive discounts of 10% and 20% are allowed. Find the selling price. You are required to attempt these questions. Attempt the questions and see if you actually understood the lecture. I'll see you in part 3.